Hello, my name is Oliver Garden and I'm the Dean of the School of Veterinary Medicine here at Louisiana State University. It's such a joy to be delivering the holiday message in December here of 2022, and what a year it's been. Many of you will know we're in the middle of a bold roadmap for growth called I2C, namely Innovate, Invest and Communicate. And my goodness me, what have we done this year? It's been a quite eventful year. All of our missions have undergone growth, and we really are growing in teaching, healing, discovering and protecting. So for teaching, we have undergone a curricular reform, and the new curriculum will be rolled out in the fall of 2023. What a momentous achievement for Dr. Heidi Bansi, our Associate Dean for Educational Strategy, and all of her colleagues, the teams that have made this happen. We've also opened the wonderful Stevenson Pet Clinic, which on the second floor has a new clinical skills lab. We're emboldening our experiential learning throughout the course, and we welcome every student from many diverse backgrounds. In terms of our healing, our clinical enterprise, we have added faculty to virtually every service in our specialty hospital. We've also added some new services to bring additional expertise to our portfolio of clinical endeavors. And of course, we had a joyous opening of our new outpatient clinic, the Stevenson Pet Clinic, in May of this year. In discovery, in our research, we have a number of clinical services and programs that deliver wonderful translational and very veterinary research, but we also espouse and embrace biomedical research in our big centers of gravity of cancer mechanisms and models, of lung biology and disease, of neurobiology, and of course of vector-borne diseases and arboviruses in particular. We continue to grow with the recruitment of new principal investigators in cancer, in neurobiology and other important fields of healthcare. Finally, protection. Protection is a key mission of LSU Vet Med, and it's one that we have particular expertise in. After all, we suffer a number of weather events every year, from hurricanes to tropical storms, but we are experts at dealing with these, as difficult as they are in the moment. So, for example, we have taken receipt of a new community outreach vehicle which will help in spreading the word to all of our stakeholders around the school. We have expertise in shelter medicine, in rescuing animals, in floods, and sometimes even human beings too. So animals usually come with owners, and we deal with both. We also have a wonderful and growing diagnostic enterprise with over 700 services ably run by the director of that unit, our wonderful Louisiana Animal Disease Diagnostic Lab, Dr. Udeni Balasuraya. And we're even doing testing for human pathogens. We have done for SARS-CoV-2 in both swabs and wastewater for the last 3 years, and now we've rolled out a new test for monkeypox virus, and that trajectory will continue. But you know what? It's all about the people. Ultimately, it's about the people. So let's hear from some of our wonderful community members.
Happy holidays!
Happy holidays!
Joyeuses fêtes de fin d'année et bonne et heureuse année 2023.
Hola, les deseo un feliz Navidad y un próspero año para el 2023 a toda la comunidad aquí de la Escuela Veterinaria de LSU.
Happy holidays!
Frohe Weihnachten und einen guten Rutsch ins neue Jahr.
Happy holidays! Happy holidays! Happy holidays!
So there you've heard it from several of our community members at our holiday party in Baton Rouge at the Red Stick Social. Here in Louisiana, we do things warmly, with feeling, and we absolutely embrace and place importance on our community and cohesion, belonging. This is really important to me, and inclusive excellence embraces everything that we do. So from us here in LSU at the School of Veterinary Medicine, we wish you a very happy, joyous holiday season and a successful and rewarding 2023. Happy holidays, everyone, and thank you so much for being advocates of our wonderful school, LSU Vet Med.